Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. I hope you are doing great, guys. I hope you are doing great. So before we continue, let's check what's really happening on our economic calendar. Just know that this week, it was like seriously quiet. So you can see that on Wednesday we never had anything, so the market was just moving very smooth, and yes, we were able to eat here and there, but not really that aggressive. So today we just only have unemployment claims, or some they can call that jobless claims, right? So on Friday we just have employment change from Canada. So this can actually move the market very nice. So unemployment claims is not really that aggressive, but yes, we just need to check that out. So what's really happening? Nothing much, but we just have to go on our chart and see what's really happening. I will start with DXY because I can see that the market did not really change that much. So on the account that I said I will be trading, you can see here we have a position on Nasdaq. We had a buy around that level, and the market did not really move that much. But you can see that the market broke out of that area. So remember, I told you that I will just start with Nasdaq until this account grows. But this amount, if maybe I'll be checking the percentage wise, it's actually not really small. You can see that yes, we are on that balance is still 500. So you can see the equity is trying to push the upside because now we added 15 rands. So but I think this is still going to push. We did not really see any push that much. So but I will keep updating you, but most of the updates are going to be on that other channel. So here's gonna be 0 because there is no profit that I actually closed. So which means this is just the first trade, but it seems to be going to be a very nice one. But yeah, so if you are in the team, as I showed you how actually when I take the trade, you can see the trade that I took on that account. So you can just copy that and see. You can just copy that because I will tell you when I open and I will tell you when I close. So which means if you are in the team, it's very good for you to just copy and just see if maybe you're gonna get the same results. If we eat, we are going to eat together, right? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you know the streets of Xtrahot Forex, you know what to do. Just smash that that like and share on your WhatsApp, on your Facebooks, anyway. You can just share. Maybe there's people who can actually find some assistant, or maybe find the video very helpful. So anyways, we are on DXY. On DXY, we want to see if maybe the dollar is still gaining some momentum or something else. So yeah, yesterday at least we had some reversals here and there. But what you can see here is, yes, we're still coming from that downtrend. It was very stronger. What we see here is just that consolidation. And where we are now, this might be a continuation of that bullish move. What I see here is the market might create something like that. The market can actually consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up. At the end of the day, this is called an uptrend. Then we're gonna have something like that going further. So let's hope that this thing is gonna reverse, because we are actually want to continue buying the Nasdaq and the other ones, and it makes sense because we are already on the uptrend, so we don't really want them to reverse, right? So but in this type of a structure, we're just waiting for the market to break this area. Then we will say, yeah, that is promising. Maybe that sell will that bullish momentum will reverse. But the market, it seems like it's gonna respect that area, but we will wait. But another thing is, next week we're gonna have CPI, so that is also going to dictate the moves that we're going to have. Like starting from tomorrow, the market might start to move quite slower, but especially next week, Monday, Tuesday, it's gonna be way too slower, you see. So what's really happening on USD JPY? You can see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice downtrend. Sorry, it was on a downtrend, and now you can easily see why we say we are on an uptrend. We're coming from that downtrend. What we see here is, yes, the market is still respecting our support area, so which means there is that chance that the market can start to move like that. So if the market keeps pushing like that, that's okay. But what we see here is the market already created this type of a resistance. If the market respect that, we will see the market pushing lower. But remember, we have this support. The market might support respect this diagonal support, or maybe this horizontal one, right? So if the market doesn't respect all of this, it means we will see a sell. But now, for now, we are still on this uptrend, which means we just expect to see what the market pushing to the upside. If it breaks here, yeah, that is gonna be a different story, because it's gonna be way too easier for us to say, okay, let's buy above that resistant area. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So what's really happening here is we are on this Gbpusd. What's really happening? You can see that yes, the market did its thing. The market was trying to break out, but it's back above that support area. You can see we had a very nice trend until the market broke out here. We have this smaller piece here. Already we drawn that area as something, we marked that level. So what I see here is the market will do what? The market will keep pushing to the upside, unless if the market starts to reverse. So what we have is we actually took this pending order. You can see I had the notification so that I can tell my people to reduce their stop losses. So I'm expecting the market to continue pushing up, then they can lock their stop losses, then maybe the market will continue pushing to the upside. But where we are, to me, I can say yes, we have this horizontal support, we also have this diagonal, and the market was above that, so it was safe for us to buy. It's just that the market is stuck. We don't know if maybe the market wants to reverse, but we will see. We will see. But for now, it seems like we will be continuing in this trend, right? It seems like we will continue in this trend. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. What's really happening? You can easily see that yes, the market is actually on this uptrend. We are pushing to the upside. You can see that down here, sorry, not we are pushing to the uptrend. We had a previous uptrend here. You can see that. So now the market just broke out of that trend. You can see there. So it seems like the market will end up pushing lower, and there's nothing we can do. If the market is giving us these vibes, it means we have to continue with them, because that's what it's happening. The market is just showing us everything. We don't really have to guess. We just have to follow what the market is telling us, right? So yes, there is a possibility that the market can do something like this. And actually, just because the market already broke out, this is something that we were supposed to take. Yeah, I think I will be sending the signal after this. I will be sending the signal after this, right? So after this analysis. So let's push the next up, because I'm expecting to see the market selling here on Euro USD, as we already got this breakout. So the market might create something like that and pushing lower or going down, right? So yeah, let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. On gold, what's really happening? I think the market here, it was just quite straightforward, even though we had some crazy reversals. Even though we had some crazy reversal a few days ago, but the structure is still very strong. You can see we are still on this uptrend. The market has been pushing to the upside. So you can easily see that where we are, the market just aggressively pushed lower. We had this sort of a support which was not really that stronger. So the market actually went straight to this support. Then just because we had a smaller breakout there, we have to adjust our trend and we got the trades here. So I hope maybe my people did it there. So yeah, we are still on that uptrend, but what do we see here is it seems like the market doesn't really have that momentum to push to the upside. So but you can see that even on top we have this structure of a resistance. So if the market pushes up, we have to be extra careful because the market can just reverse aggressively, you see. But remember, next week we have CPI, so things might change. Things might change. I just hope it's going to be as negative so that we can keep buying. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually pushing to the upside. This trend is like aggressively pushing to the upside. So if we go closer, you will see that no, man, we also had a very nice trade. You can see the market did touch our take profit, but I did tell my people that they can actually start to get out. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame, so which means if they did take that, yeah, they did smash. So you can easily see that the market kept pushing to the upside around this area. You can see it's actually a bigger resistance around this area, you see. So but what I see here is the market created a very nice structure that made us to buy here. You can see this type of a structure. So there is a possibility for the market to do what? To reverse there before pushing to the upside. Or maybe the market will just break this resistance. It's possible because the market is very bullish. So yeah, this was, I don't know if I sent this in the free group. If I did not really send, yeah, it's fine. It means you have to join the group. So premium group. So we're just waiting for a breakout before we jump on this. So even if maybe, let's say if you join with $100 and you took this, obviously you recovered your $100. If you join with $48, you recovered everything. If it's less, then it's worse. It means you are now going to be in the group for free. That is a good strategy, investing in something that you know that you're going to recover, right? So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Yeah, let me show you what we have here, guys. You can pause the video. You can see that we have the special, which ends this month. You can see the normal prices there from lifetime, yearly, 6 months. We did cut those prices with 50% or up to 50%. So yeah, it's a special. You can just scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me, then you can be part of the team. So if maybe you want to join a lifetime signals plus you want to learn, like you want mentorship, that is $450. Then you can learn at the same time you're eating, you see. So simple as that. So besides that, without wasting much of your time, what's really happening on Nasdaq, you can easily see that no, man, the market is moving very nice. The market is still on this bullish move. You can see what it's happening here. So I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside as the market is actually on this uptrend. You see, the market is uptrending. The market is uptrending. So on my side or on our side here, we had a very nice bullish structure. The market broke out of that resistance, so we took a buy. We are still in a smaller profit. I showed you that on the MetaTrader. So I'm expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside, but once the market reach halfway there, we have to reduce our stop loss so that now if maybe we're losing $50 or 50 rands, now we can lose maybe 10 or even lock in that profit to actually trail that profit. So we don't really just have to get out immediately. We can reduce our stop loss until we lock it. Once the market starts to push the upside, we just keep trailing until the market takes us out. But when it takes us out, it doesn't really mean that we lost. No, we are still in that profit. So now I'm still waiting for the market. Maybe it won't disappoint us. I'm expecting to see maybe a very nice push to the upside. Let's hope that is going to happen, because we are already in those trades, but we are already in that profit. So the other one, it was actually S&P 500. On S&P 500, quite similar structure with Nasdaq. I told them to, you know what, this thing is pushing up very nice. If we go closer there, you can see we actually reached halfway there, and I told them, you know what, just try to lock your profit, or you can actually reduce your stop losses, so that if maybe it keeps pushing up, you can just trail this position. If it can even break that, we will trail. We're not gonna close here on TP, right? Simple as that. It's not like TP, it's a must for you to close. If the market continues, we keep locking, and until where the market says, oh, it's enough now, I'm reversing, then it's where we're gonna get out. Simple as that. So let's see on US oil, or DX, whatever, German. German is playing games, breaking out, going down, breaking out, going down. So, but it seems like we're gonna have now a new structure. It seems like this. Yeah, I think it seems like that. So this, it was our stronger resistance. So now I think the structure is maturing. So it means at the end of the day, we're gonna have this support as the market is now breaking out, because we can see several structures respecting that, and we start to change, because you can see that the market just broke out of that, and you see that the market does not really respect any of those structures. So it means the market is just going to continue like that. We will see. Nothing now. We don't really have nothing here, but I think it might be a good idea for us to look for that buy. We will see if maybe the market is going to respect this area or not. If it respects, we will have a buy pending order ready, right? Unless if the market breaks out. So now we are on US oil. You can see we did have this trade for quite long, I think last week. So we are waiting for the market to reach this area. Then we can start to lock, whether you want to secure your profits or you want to lock whatever, as long as you are in profit, because the market can keep pushing to the upside. Yes, it's a bit slower because the market, it's pushing up, but it's like it's consolidating. But what I like is we are in profit. Or everyone who took that, it's now eating. You see, that is something that is very great. So anyways, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, you can just post that video, then you can scan the QR code, or you can just WhatsApp me, then you can just talk to me there. So thank you very much. Bye.